Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make a changing wallpaper on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper. Click on add new wallpaper. Then click on photo shuffle. Now go ahead and select album or people or nature. But in this case, to make a changing wallpaper on your iPhone, select photos manually. And then here you have access to all the photos collections you have on your iPhone. So go ahead and select multiple photos that you want to use as your changing wallpaper on your iPhone. Now, once you are done with the list of photos you want to set or use as your changing wallpaper, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the check button at top right. Mark you can select up to 50 photos. Once you've selected that, you can just tap to preview. So you'll be able to preview all the photos you added. And then you can click on these three dots and select how you want the photos to appear. So if you click on the three dots, you can make this appear daily. You can make it appear early. You can make it appear on lock, so that each time you lock your iPhone, the lock screen wallpaper is going to change. And you can make it appear on tap. So I prefer to go with on tap. And now if you click on this, then you have access to the spatial scene on the wallpaper. So once you're done, click on add at top right. And then once you click on add at top right, hang on for savings to take place. And once it's saved on your iPhone wallpaper, you will be able to make a changing wallpaper on your iPhone, and the changing wallpaper will take effect based on the setup you chose while you click on these three dots. And now, once you have the wallpaper set, you see that says set as pair wallpaper or customize home screen. In this case, select set as wallpaper pair. And then, when next your iPhone screen is locked, then you should see the wallpaper change on each tap like that. And then you are good. So, that is exactly how to make changing wallpaper on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.